Hello everyone, this is Cheng Yak with an important update from Juba. On June 5, 2025, President Salva Kiir Mayardit officially swore in Ambassador Bol Wek Agoth as the new governor of Warrap State. This move comes as part of a renewed push by the government to bring peace and stability to Warrap region that has long been affected by violence and insecurity. President Salva Kiir called on the people of Tonj and the entire Warrap community to welcome Governor Bol Wek Agoth with open heart and mind. He urged everyone to work together with the new leadership to restore peace and order. Governor Bol Wek Agoth has pledged to focus on peace building, strengthening law enforcement, and rebuilding effective local governance across Warrap State. In addition, he appealed to Warrap natives living in Juba and beyond to become ambassador of peace and to support efforts that bring lasting stability to their homeland. This is an important step forward in the ongoing effort to heal and rebuild Warrap State, and we will continue to follow this story closely. Thank you for watching. I'm Cheng Yak, bringing you trusted news from across South Sudan. Stay safe and stay informed.